Hi, this is Mick Elliott from Electronic Specifier at Sensor and Test, and I'm here with Dirk Enderlein, who is the CEO of Sciosense. And first of all, Dirk, maybe you could just talk us a little bit through the foundation of the company and some of the background.
Yeah, happy to do that. Sciosense was founded in 2019 as a carve-out of the AMS organization. So we are comprising the environmental sensor portfolio, the gas sensor portfolio, plus barometric pressure sensors and flow. So that's what we're doing. So we have started with the assets being engineering folks, plus being manufacturing lines donated into the company, and then together with some financial investors we did the carve out and founded a Sciosense. So we got operational in early 2020, and yeah, that's the major here.
So where are the products developed, designed and manufactured now?
I think right now we have 4 locations in Europe, headquarters in Eindhoven. We have a Pisa office where we do the ASIC design. We have an office in Reutlingen and Karlsruhe where we do flow and gas sensing, and then obviously paired with a number of sales folks around the world supporting those organizations.
Because I guess as a fairly new company, you've had to put a sales network in place. Does that encompass both direct sales for you into maybe tier 1 companies, but also a distribution network as well?
Right, so I think we started with a number of known large catalog distributors and some specified broadband distributors for our products. And we have put in place a sales organization. Indeed, those are automotive account salespersons plus salespersons for general industrial. And these guys are going for the larger OEMs, key accounts, and supporting that business.
And you're happy with progress so far?
So far, yeah. I think it was a bit of a rough start, I have to say, because I think right when after the start in early 2020, the pandemic hit us, and we had to lock down. So, and I think ever since, I think we made good progress. So growth rates are really nice, and I think right now there's other problems now with China, right? So they have the lockdown. So in between, China was helping us to grow. Now China has a bit of a problem. So we will see. It's going to be challenging, but it's interesting as well.
Okay. Terrific. Okay, now at Sensor and Test, I know you've launched a new flow meter, which I think is being demoed behind us. So maybe just talk through a few of the features of that.
Yeah, sure. I think what you can see here is ultrasonic flow meter. The cool thing on it is it's really super accurate. Okay, so you can measure down to 0.5 liters per hour. So you can use it for smart irrigation. You can use it for any type of smart metering. And the second point here is really the power consumption. Okay, so this one can last with a battery for 20 years. Okay. So I think you can put it into a smart meter in your home. You don't need to care anymore, and somebody can read it automatically, and that's where we're going for. So there's a huge market on that one.
Okay. And you don't need to recalibrate or anything like that?
No, I think you, at the beginning, basically what you do is you take your measurement pipe, you attach the sensors, do a one-time calibration, and I think that calibration is good for lifetime. I think there's no need to go for recalibration.
I guess this is a really important product in terms of, certainly, if I say in the UK, water companies get criticised for leaks and water basically being wasted. So a product like this can really help start to put that right.
Yeah, indeed. I think we're working with many major manufacturers also in the UK already, and I think the numbers are going up for that. So I think you can really see that smart meters get deployed into the market more and more, and I think everybody's seeing the advantages, right? So you don't need to be home for reading the meters. Somebody can do that remotely, and just putting those things together in a small, compact way, I think it helps. And also, as you said, leakage. Leakage is a good point here. So with 0.5 liters, you can really detect the leakage, and then you can shut down the pipe,
Okay, well, Dirk and I have now moved across the Sciosense stand to a demonstration of an environmental sensor that Sciosense have been taking to the market. Dirk, can you talk us through some of the features?
Sure. This one is the smallest environmental sensor we do have. So I think it's a pretty cool one. It comprises up to 20 quality parameters, so you can detect ECO2, TVOC particles, and humidity temperature, okay, all in one. So basically, given the pandemic and given air cleaner becoming a major product now, right? Yeah. I think people need those products, right? They want to know how the air works in their environment, so they can detect the parameters and then can switch on the air cleaning, whatever. That's where the product is made for. And I will show how that works. So I'm going to take a humidifier here and put some humidity out here, and then I think particles you should see go up and humidity you should see go up. Let's see how that works.
Yep.
Close it a little bit, and then if the fan sucks it in, you see a really huge amount of particles are detected. Yep. So those are the aerosols from the humidifier, and humidity is going into saturation because we have the humidity there. So cool product. It's a plug-in product really for guys who want to detect those parameters and then use it together with their control units.
So what sort of applications would you be looking at in markets?
I think main applications are really air purifiers, HVAC systems, wherever you control the air around you. Okay, those are the ones where you can use the product, where you can really change the control system to more ventilation or whatever to change the parameters in the room you're in.
I mean, this seems to have it's a very quick response time there, which I guess is key for anybody monitoring air quality.
So one of the reasons for doing it this way is that we do have a small ventilator in there which sucks the air in, and therefore the response time is really fast. So I think it gets to the measurement point. The second thing here with this one is really it has multiple sensors in, and with those multiple sensors then I think you have all the parameters in one, and you can also do some compensation. So basically the quality of the measurement is improving significantly.
Okay, Dirk Enderlein from Sciosense, that's terrific. Thank you very much.
Thank you.